Hello, welcome to today's video. I thought I would vlog today just because I've just popped to Lidl on my way back from dropping Orin at forest school. I've got baby bouncing. I thought I would just show you my Lidl haul and things to do today. It's definitely a reset day today for me. I needed to do a food shop. If you've been watching my videos recently, I'm not doing like my massive grocery food shops because we're going on holiday soon, but I did need quite a few bits today, so I've got quite a few bits to show you. But I really need a reset day. In less than 2 weeks, we're going away. Not only that, it's Orin's birthday this weekend and he's going to be 4. I can't. So he's going to be 4 and we're having a little party, so I'm trying to sort that out as well. So yeah, there's kind of a lot going on. I'm just trying to like keep the house organised. It's so hard organising for a party when you've got a toddler because I'm tidying up and organising and sorting and then he's like a mini tornado behind me. Undoing everything I'm doing. So he's at forest school today. It's just been half term, so he's at forest school today, so I feel like I can get a bit done now he's like busy at forest school. So hopefully give me, you know, your well wishes that I can get some stuff done today while he's away. Yeah, just a reset day, get things sorted, a food haul. I'm currently filming family meals this week, so we're having really nice meals this week. But tonight's dinner I can't wait for. I'm so hungry for it. I can't stop thinking about it. But I might show you tonight's dinner as well, but in today's vlog. Anyway, let's do a Lidl haul. So first and foremost, welcome to the family, a new baby. It's a hydrangea. Yeah, we're gonna see how she is. She's not looking too healthy right now, probably because she was like pushed over from the wind. But I'm gonna plant her in the front garden. I've always wanted hydrangeas and I think in the front garden it could work. It's got really, really good sunlight. There's loads of space for it. So I'm going to put the hydrangea there and see what happens. Like, fingers crossed. It was $7.99. There were different colours. Do you know what's interesting though? The hydrangea, I didn't know this, but hydrangea will be the colour depending on what the soil alkaline level is. So this would probably change colour, I think. We'll just go in any bag. So I got some of these chocolate chip cake bars because just as part of like Orin's birthday party, a snack table, I'm just going to have little bits like this. There's only a few toddlers coming, so this doesn't need to be, you know, Michelin star. I've got some bananas because we need some bananas. I've got some milk because we need some milk. A huge tub of natural yogurt. We use at least one of these a week. We have them for breakfasts, for puddings. We often have like yogurt and fruit, yogurt on pancakes, or we'll put yogurt in our curry. Just always got to have full fat. It's important that it's full fat because that's much better for you. Full fat Greek yogurt in the fridge. I got 3 normal natural cottage cheeses because we eat so much of these. How long do they last? Yeah, they last weeks, but we eat so much of cottage cheese. We have cottage cheese every single day. And I've got 2 mozzarella balls because I'm making a nice pasta dish. I've got a biscuit spread. I haven't bought this in months. I've got some because I'm baking with it. It is delicious, I will say, but it's just absolutely full of crazy stuff, so I didn't want to have it while I was pregnant. And I don't really want to have it very often, but I'm going to be baking with it. I got their outdoor bred pork chipolatas because I'm going to be making like mini hot dogs for the children. I've got 2 tins of tomatoes. So tonight's dinner, I can't wait for tonight's dinner. We're going to be having meatballs. I really fancy making meatballs, so I'm going to make meatballs and see how it goes, but I'm really excited about it. 2 grana padanos. I'm sure I got 2 of those. I got a block of extra mature cheddar, English mustard. I love English mustard. I love mustard. I did actually want Dijon mustard, but they didn't have it. A large pack of British beef mince, 18% fat. Some mascarpone, just for pastas. Mascarpone mixed in with pasta. If you want a creamy pasta, go for mascarpone. You can add things like cream, you can add Philadelphia and stuff like that. Mascarpone is the absolute prime thing you can mix into pasta to make it creamy. It's so good. And also you can make really nice puddings with mascarpone. So I got loads of that actually. They're doing these 100% cotton kids poncho Disney towels. So you best believe I got orange one because we're going on holiday soon, and a poncho towel is one we're gonna need. Yeah, 100% cotton, which I thought was really good because often these things can be made from like polyester and stuff like that, but it's cotton, and I think it was like £4 from Lidl, so I got it. Some linguine for our spaghetti and meatballs, or linguine and meatballs should I say. I got some mini cakes for the party, just dot around on the table. And my mum's partner used to be a cake baker, so he's making us a cake. It's going to be a surprise. He's like really good at making cakes. It's going to be a surprise. So I don't know what it is. I reckon it's going to be tractor themed. Organic eggs. This is why I love shopping at Lidl recently, because they just have so much to offer. Like organic and higher welfare stuff, high quality stuff. So I'm really enjoying Lidl at the moment. I got this very interesting looking pasta. It's called Trophy. It just looks really nice. I've got lots of basil in this pot and another pot that I'm going to cut, and I'm going to make my own pesto, and then I'm going to have like a pesto creamy pasta with this. But look how sweet the little twirls are. They're just so delicate, and it looks like it'll be a really nice like pasta to eat, like really satisfying to eat. It'll be a really good pasta to have with like a nice just simple sauce. I've got some sourdough crumpets. Oh my goodness, you are really fancy. This sieve, because the stainless steel stuff needs sieve. I tried to do it with all the other stuff. I'm trying to be non-toxic, but sometimes you need sieve. It's just so stained and I can't get the stains out. I'm using all the stuff, but I can't. Anyway, dark chocolate chips for baking. Biodegradable wipes, just for mainly for the weekend, because when we're having people in and out of the house, we're going to need it. Mixed nuts, bag of mixed nuts. 3 packs of mini rolls to bring into Forest School. So they always bring in cakes and stuff, and I don't want to be boring and like send in some like homemade health foods. I wanted to give him mini rolls because they all bring in like these cakes and mini rolls and stuff like that, and so I bought them. Not something I would normally buy very often anymore. And then I also bought these because they're accidentally vegan, and there's a few vegan kids at the Forest School, so they can have some stuff. And 2 dark chocolates for baking. Anyway, so just kind of a random mix of things. I've got lots of stuff in the freezers and fridge, like chicken, lamb mince, and other bits. There's some tofu that we're also going to have this week for dinner, and like a lovely stir fry. I've got some dried noodles in the cupboard. So we've got some yummy meals coming up. But I'm going to pop this stuff away now, and then I'm going to make myself something to eat, and then it'll be nap time for this one, and then it'll be cleaning the house, hopefully. Just made up the meatballs, which is great. So some are for tonight, some are to be frozen for another night. I like it when I make extra things that Lawrence likes especially, because quite often Oren and I will have fish and Lawrence doesn't eat fish. So on those nights I can say, oh, there's some meatballs in the freezer for you. You can have the meatballs because we want salmon or something like that. I've got a bouncing baby, but I'm gonna pop these in the freezer now and pop these in the outdoor fridge, and then I'm gonna fry them off later. Someone is a little bit sad. I think it's his teeth still. They're really cutting through. So yeah, we've been trying to do some floor time. We've been trying to play, but he just wants to be in my arms. So do you know what helps a sad baby? Either a bath or going outside. That always helps, always, always, always. So I'm going to take him out to the front garden. We had some blackbirds drinking from the front garden. So I know lots of other animals have been in there, but I just can't catch them in time. And I try to be really careful how I watch them because I don't want to scare them away. But we just had a blackbird in the little mini pond in my front garden. If you've not seen that video, you won't know what I'm talking about, but I built a mini pond in the front garden. We did it in the front garden, so it's nowhere near the children, but and that's where the birds like to go. However, yeah, so I've just bought this hydrangea. Where is it? Where's my hydrangea? There. Just bought the hydrangea from Lidl, and I thought I am going to plant it in the front garden because there's a nice space for it in the middle section of the garden. Good morning. It's the next day now, so I thought I would pick up the camera again. I've just set up the high chair for Jasper, and yeah, it's really cute. He tested it out this morning, and I'm so excited for him to like be in a high chair. I can't believe we're already at that point. Jasper and I are just about to go out on our walk, aren't we? I try to walk most days, just to get those steps in, to feel good about myself. I'm about to go on my walk. I'm going to pop to the Co-op and see what they've got in. Co-op's our closest shop that we can walk to. So we're going to have a nice little walk, keep him awake for 20 more minutes. I'm trying to like eke out the times in between his naps just so he stays asleep on his nap without needing help to go back to sleep. I will always help my babies go to sleep and go back to sleep if they need it, but part of making it easier for myself is trying to eke out their nap times. This age is to just eke out the wake windows just a little bit longer, and it does work. Like, he will wake up after 30 minutes, but often if he's tired enough he will go back to sleep like really quickly by himself without needing any help from me. I think with Orin, I gave him all the help in the world, and his temperament is also different from Jasper's, so I am working with an easier baby here. But yeah, so we're gonna go for a walk. That keeps you awake. He loves looking around, so I'm gonna sit him up a bit because at the moment he's just lying down because that's how it was. But I'm gonna sit him up. I'm gonna walk to the Co-op, and we're gonna see what to get. I'm gonna make me and Lawrence brunch because I haven't eaten yet. I'm really hungry. But the brunch I want, we haven't got some of the ingredients. So I'm going to make me and Lawrence some brunch, and then I'll film a little bit of it, but it will be in like my recipe video that's going live later in the week. And yeah. Let's get, oh, we've got one sock. That's no good, is it? One sock. That's no good, is it? Yeah. Yeah. Have a little look around. had to come into the living room and eat because Jasper is asleep. He did wake up after 45 minutes in the pushchair, and I was a bit like, I know you are still tired. So I just carried on cooking while rocking him a little bit, and he fell straight back to sleep. So that's good. I get to enjoy my brunch. I'm very hungry. It's now midday. So, and I'm drinking it with a black tea. I haven't had a black tea in a long time, but I've run out of dandelion teas. I normally have a green tea, then a coffee, then a dandelion tea throughout the rest of the day. But we've run out of dandelion teas. So I just found a tea bag in there that's, what's it called? Not Yorkshire tea. It's like Yahtzee. Begins with a Y, I'm sure. It's okay. It's all right. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy my brunch, and then I'm going to have a speed sort because I wanted to do a bit more organisation today, especially before the birthday party. I'm just having a quick tidy up. Jasper is still asleep. Every now and then I go to call him Oren, and I'm just like, I'm already turning into my nan and just calling everybody by the wrong names. It's just sorting this bag out. My friend, why is it when this happens, why is it when I make like a really good friend, I've made this lovely friend, and more importantly, Oren has made this lovely friend. She's got a little boy as well. She's got 2 little boys, and they're the same age. And Oren's made a really good friend in her son, and they go to forest school together. They're really close and they're really lovely together. And I've just been friends with her for the last couple of years, and she's just been such a good person to chat to and get through motherhood through. She's one of these people that there's no judgment whatsoever. You can talk to her about anything. And she's moving to Australia. I'm so gutted, but I'm so happy for her. But yeah, so we're coming up to the last couple of weeks of her being in the UK, and I haven't told Oren yet. I don't know how to tell him really, like that his friend is going to another country and they probably won't see each other for a very, very, very long time, which is really scary to think of, to tell him. But anyway, she's been very kindly giving me stuff, and I was just going through some bits. So like lovely fleece, double fleece sets. She's got 2 boys, and her youngest boy is about a year older than Jasper. Well, about a year and a bit older than Jasper. So she's been passing down some baby clothes. So I've just been looking at these fleeces, and look how lovely this is. This cardigan with inner lined fur. Just like really nice things that I can have for Jasper. Oh, that's so nice. I have a feeling I just heard him. He is due to wake up in a minute. Oh, those after nap cuddles. Oh. See? Can you see the new books? But yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. She's also given us some books. Noddy. I mean, I used to watch this so well. I used to really love it. I'm sure it used to be on like CBeebies or BBC, whatever that was. Anyway, can you tell this breastfed baby is looking for a boob? Aren't you? Shall we read this today? Oh, my darling. All right. Let's get you something to eat. Yeah? I don't know if he would have slept longer, but I just went in there and the white noise had like suddenly cut off.